Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to show you how I turn flat, boring, raw, or log footage into cinematic, color-graded magic in just a few seconds. And no, it's not AI, it's actual editing magic. But first, let's check out the original footage. Prepare yourself. It's kind of painful to watch, okay? So yeah, that looks dull. Like if someone saw this, they'd probably say, "Bro, are you sure this is cinematic?" But don't worry, we're not going to let them say that. We'll make them say, "Wait, is this a Netflix shot? Let's jump in and make this footage look crazy good." But first, I want you to remember that this settings may not work on every footage, only if you are using a log or dull footage. So I know what you are thinking, but be patient and wait for the end. You can save this video for later or share it with your editor friend. You may notice the changes now. Remember that white balancing is very important. And our Netflix shot is ready to roll. Let's see the result.